So you want to sell more products on your e-commerce site. Hi everybody, I'm John Lincoln with Ignite Visibility, and today I'm going to go over some of the top easy ways that you can increase sales on your e-commerce site. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can get more videos like this in the future. Item number 1, simplify your navigation. Users can't buy what they can't find. I highly recommend using the Google Analytics, in-page analytics, Chrome extension, and/or a heat map to figure out what people are clicking on the most and making sure that the products that you want to move are highly visible in your navigation. Huge mistake a lot of people make. Put those most important categories and products inside the navigation and make it clear. Item number 2, include in-depth product info. This is critical. Photos, videos, in-depth description, reviews, different color variations. If you're just using the manufacturer description, you are leaving money on the table. Item number 3, don't just use photos and videos, use high quality photos and videos. Take a look at Nike's website. Take a look at the top products that are selling on Amazon. High quality video, high quality photos, and specific infographics in there as well that show important information the prospect really wants to understand and answers their key questions. Item number 4, add a wish list or favorites option to your site so that people can save it for later. Item number 5, add similar or recommended products to a page. When people are on a page and they're on there for a long time, they might not be finding exactly what they're looking for. If you have recommended or similar products that might be a little bit different, but that will push them over the edge and get them to buy, it's really important that you put that on there. Pro tip, don't just add recommended and similar products, also show them what a potential bundle looks like with 2 to 4 different products that all revolve around the product that they're looking at. Generally, people want to get all the stuff they need around a specific pain point, so make that easy for them. Item number 6, add social proof. Make sure you're speaking to how many people have bought the product and bought it recently, and how much people love it. Testimonials are critical nowadays. Item number 7, have a clear FAQ that answers specific pain points on the page. Item number 8, have a chatbot that people can use so they can speak with customer service and that has automatic responses to questions that people ask inside of the chat. Item number 9, invest the time to fully optimize your checkout process so it's lightning fast. All the form fills get automatically filled in. There's a pop-up that gives somebody an incentive if they're leaving to convert, captures their email address first, and has a cart abandonment email series in case somebody leaves, as well as a text message abandonment series, and just makes it super easy for the desktop and the mobile user. A couple bonus items for you. On your 404 page template, have recommended products and have a link so that people can get back to the home page. This is going to help you sell more. Next, if an item's out of stock, make sure you put a recommended product on that page instead of just having it be blank. Next, have upsells within the checkout process. So if somebody's checking out, make a special offer for them that's related to the product that you have there. Next, have a post-checkout offer, something that's so great that after they checked out, they can buy something within the next 10 minutes for a huge discount. If you have any questions or want to learn more about e-commerce optimization, leave a comment below. I'd be happy to help you. I'll see you next time. Bye.